Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to get on here and let you guys know about this product, but let's go ahead and open it up. And this company contacted me and wanted me to try out their products. I have in the past tried one of them. So anyways, the company is My Magic Mud. And what it comes with, let's see. It comes with the toothbrushing powder, which is this one here. So you open it up and it comes with a little spatula that you scoop it out. Yeah, it comes with like directions on how you do it and stuff like that. And then the actual charcoal polish, My Magic Brush Like a Boss. This is what it says right here. So it comes with that, and then it comes with the activated charcoal toothpaste right here. So I'm gonna definitely try this out, and it is in the peppermint right there. The bamboo brush, which is pretty cool. Open this up. If I can. Super cute. Look, it has a, so this is the toothbrush here. Very soft bristles. And then it says My Magic Mud, and it says brush like a boss. I'm actually going to be doing a review or a test trial to see the difference between my teeth from now, which I know they're already, because I've been using the powder already, but like I said, I'm gonna be trying, and I'm gonna use all three of the products for like a week, maybe 2 weeks. I think I'm gonna do 2 weeks using these products, and I will just let you guys know what, I'm not sure if you can use it together or if it's just vice versa, like you can use whichever one. I guess you could use both. I'm not sure. It doesn't say step 1, step 2. It's just, I feel like this is just in the toothpaste form and this is just in the powder form. So, but I'm gonna go ahead and do it for 2 weeks, and I'm gonna do a before and after just so you guys can kind of get the feel, and if you're interested in it, I'll definitely link down in the description box below. I'll probably do this one day and then this the next day, and then kind of like switch it up where I'll do this in the morning and this at night, and just kind of see the different combinations that I'm gonna do. But yeah, so that's it, you guys. Like I said, it's called My Magic Mud, and I'm so glad that they reached out to me. I've been wanting to try the toothpaste one, so I'm excited to trial that one. And I'm going to do a 2-week test trial and just see if it works, or, you know, should you waste your money on it or not. But yes, I'm just glad they contacted me. But I'm excited, so I'm gonna go ahead and do this for 2 weeks. I'm about to hop in the shower, so let me go ahead and do a brushing right now. For the toothpaste, it's just like you use any other, using a generous amount, brush gently for 2 minutes, carefully spit out, and then floss. Okay, so I'm gonna do, so this is gonna be day 1. And I'm gonna brush. 2 minutes. Okay guys, so I went ahead, brushed and flossed. I'm gonna go ahead and take a picture now. And then I'm gonna take a picture in 2 weeks just to compare the before and after from me brushing morning and night for 2 weeks. And yeah, so that's it you guys. Stay tuned.